The coin rotation paradox is a crazy thing that happens when you rotate a coin around the outer edge of another coin. In 1982, there was an SAT question about it that literally everyone got wrong, because the test makers themselves didn't even have the correct answer as an option. Looking at identical coins, how many times would you guess this quarter rotates as it makes its way around this quarter? Well, let's watch it happen. So it goes once, twice, it goes 2 full rotations as it makes its way around the quarter from an external frame of reference. But that's weird because the coins have the same circumference. And to make it even weirder, if you look at a single point on the edge of the outer coin, it only makes 1 full rotation as it makes its way around the inner coin. That edging point moves in what mathematicians call a cardioid curve, but I like to call it a circle butt. The trick to it is that the circular path it takes forces it to make an extra rotation. In that SAT college admissions exam, the outer circle was 1/3 the size as the bigger circle, so the correct unavailable answer was 4 rotations. The thing that actually made it click for me is the concept of sidereal days as the Earth moves around the sun. So here on Earth we say that there are 365 days in a year because from our perspective, there are 365 days in a year, 365 noons. But if you were out in the stars watching the Earth orbit the sun for an entire year, you would actually see the Earth rotate 366 times by the time it made to the same place in orbit. From one day to the next, as the Earth rotates around the sun, it's gotten further along in its orbit. So in order for noon to be when the sun is directly above the same point on Earth, the Earth has to rotate a little bit more than 360 degrees to compensate for being further along in the track. It has to rotate just shy of an extra degree a day. And if you add up all the extra degrees the Earth spins over the course of a year, by timesing the amount of days in a year, by those extra 0.986 degrees, you get 360 degrees that the Earth spun over the course of a year, or a full rotation.